You can take anything, no problem, as an implementation. Hash table is synchronized. Remaining three are non-synchronized. Hash map and hash table organize elements without any order. Linked hash map organize elements in insertion order. Tree map organizes elements in ascending order automatically based on the key. That's the point. Today, let me organize the data like this. Imaginate this data now like this. One is primary key, one is non-primary key values. Now I want to construct one map. See there. I want to take one map. The first one is K, next one is B. Like this. K means OK. Product code is K. V means three values are there, no? Right. One is name, one is price, one is quantity. So first one is string data. First one is a string object. Second one is some values. I'll take it as an product values. I'll take it. So map is going to hold one object, that is string object. It is going to hold one string object. It is going to hold one user defined class object. One is string object, one is product objects. For the string object, I'll take primary key. For product object, I'll take the values. These three values I'll take here. Here I'll take a string here. This code I'll accommodate here. These values I'll accommodate here. In this format, I'm going to construct one map. This format, I'm going to use one map. One map I'm going to use in this format. See there how I am using. Example program. String is a predefined class. Yes or no? So string is a predefined class. Already we have it. Whenever you want, you can create object for string class and you can use it. Product values. Predefined class not there, no? You have to go with one now. User defined class. So I'm taking product values. I'm taking product values. I'm taking .java. So product values I'm taking .java. So now I'm constructing this product values. So collection, I am taking Java collection framework. Under this, I am taking, first time I am taking one user defined class objects. I am taking one package. I am taking it as test. I am taking under test. I am taking one class. That class is product values. I am taking, click on finish. This product values class is going to hold. So public string product name. This is going to hold float product price. This is going to hold product quantity. Product quantity. Because according to our requirement, product value should hold these three. Yes or no? So I am taking three variables. I am taking, to initialize the data, we use product values string product name product price product quantity here. This is float. And this is int. Now here, this dot product name is equal to product name. This dot product price is equal to product price. Now this dot product quantity is equal to product quantity. I'm taking. Now to display the data, public string to string method return product name one tab space product price one tab space product quantity tab space. So this is one user defined class. You have it. After constructing this user defined class, which is going to accommodate name, price, and quantity, go for main class, new and class. So demo map 1 I'm taking. Import java.util import test.product values. Here we are creating one map which is going to hold string and product values. M is equal to null, one variable. So map one variable. We are giving a choice to the user. System dot out dot print ln. I'm giving a choice. All in a single program I'm typing. I'm giving a choice. Now system dot out dot print ln. Here one for hash map, two for linked hash map, three for tree map, four for hash table. Like this, four implementation options are available. Now system dot out dot print ln. Enter the choice. Switch off. Yes. Integer dot percent of s dot next line. End of switch. Here scanner object. Like this. Now look here. Why I'm using integer dot percent? In reading, product code is coming. No? So our product code we are reading in the form of alphanumeric. After numeric, if you read string data, skipping of data may come. To overcome that, I'm using integer dot percent. So there are four cases available to you. Case 1, break. Case 2, break. Case 3, break. Case 4, break. Default. So system dot out dot print ln invalid choice. Now system dot out dot exit of 0. Now what is case 1 means? You have to create object for new hash map string and product values. Here m is equal to new linked hash map string and product values. Here m is equal to new tree map string of product values. M is equal to new hash table of string of product values. Hash map, linked hash map, tree map. Right, okay. After selection completed, here you can enter system dot out dot Println. Enter the number of products. How many products you want? Actually, the data should come from database here. Actually, who knows JDBC? You can link it. The data can come from table form. Actually, int n is equal to. You started advanced Java, no? 4 p.m. Because spring is coming, no? You observe that spring is coming. Spring with web services will come anyway. Right. Integer dot percent s dot next line. Now run the loop to enter. System dot out dot println. Enter n products. N product details actually. So running the loop for n times. End of loop. Int I is equal to 1 and I less than or equal to n and I plus plus. So up to here you are clear, no? Right. See there? Based on the choice, you are creating one implementation. You are asking how many products you want, and I am asking to enter the product for this loop. So here, create object for, of course. System dot out dot println. I can write directly. Enter product code. I can write. Means product code 1 I can write. Okay, right. Here directly I can read string sum code is equal to s dot next line code. System dot out dot print ln. Enter the product name. Means product code 1, product name 1, like this. Some display will come. Read the name. S dot next line. Enter the product price. Anyway. Price. So float price is equal to float dot parse float s dot next line. Enter the product quantity. Int quantity is equal to integer dot percent s dot next line. After this one, I am using one method known as put method here. I had a method known as put. Can you see this? This put method is nothing but adding for the map. You have to add the data to the map, elements to the map. For this, m dot put. First one is string now. New string of code. First one is string object, no? Right. Second one is new product values, name, price, quantity. So this is put method, means adding the element pair, means adding to map object. So like this, I'll read n products. I'll add the products to map. All of understood this? I'll add the products to map. And I'll display from map now. Whenever I want to display from map, system.out.println. So display map data. Display map, you can say. For this, I am bringing m dot for each. I am bringing this method. I am bringing. Can you see this method for each? I am bringing this method. This method is Java 8 method actually. Java 8 means lambda expression will be there. So I am bringing that method. So here I am bringing p comma q lambda. I am printing system.out.println. I am printing p and q. I am printing. See there, I'll run it. Enter the choice. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are there now. So anyone you can take. I'll take hash map. Enter the number of products. 4 products. Enter product details. A121. Mouse. 1200. 12. Product 2. A100. Some keyboard. Price 1300 and 13. Second product, that is. Third one. Enter the product 3. So A200. Product name is CDRR. Product price is 1400 and 14. Enter the product code now. A677 and some VDDR roughly. Price 1500 and 15. So the data is accommodated in the form of key value internally. So this is value object and this is string object. This is value object and this is string object. All of you understood this, right? Generally, I'll explain this. So this is actually, if we connect to the database, database table will come here. You are attending JDBC, result set will be there. The data will be available on result set. From result set, you can take the data and put it onto map. That only. The data will be displayed directly in the form of map. So there get string of 1, get string of 2 and so on. You can put it. So data is, this is string object. This is product values object. String object, product values, that only. Map organizes data in the form of key value pair. I made a statement. Sorry, if I want to separate that data, if I want to display this data separately, means map separate, key separate. System.out.println. Sir, I want to display keys. Display keys. Only keys. Then set string. String. OB1 is equal to map dot key set. Can you see one method? Key set. Can you see one method? Key set. Key set method return type is what now? Set. Set object. Set means collection, no? So set. Why set, sir? Means key unique values will be there. Yes or no? Na? Primary key means unique value. Null value not there. Unique. Set organizes unique one. It will not hold a duplicate. Set will not hold a duplicate. Set is specially used to organize keys. Now key set. To display this, I am using OB1 dot for each. I am using Java 8 loop again. Some K I will use it. Now system dot out dot print ln. I can display K. Now I want to display the values, sir. System dot out dot print ln. I want to display the values. Display values. I want to display values. Whenever you want to display values, method is there. Can you see? Only values. Only values method is there. Only values. So values method return type is what now? Collection. So you can take like this. Collection. Product values. C is equal to, if not OB2 is equal to M dot values. OB2 and Z. See there? I'll run. I'll explain that anyway. Hash map. You can take anything, no problem. Number of products 3. A121. Mouse 1200. 12. A111. Product name is CDRR. Price 1300. CD A456. This is map. Here only keys will come. Here only values will come. Can you see this? The map has one advantage. Separating key and values separately you can do. And we can separate them very clearly. Understood now, right? After displaying this now, I am doing some more operations here. I'll do while of true. I am writing one while loop down. Can you see this while loop? Right. While of true means what now? Unlimited, no? Yes or no? No? Right. So here I'll give the choice. Operations here. I'll explain all together at a time. One for add. Add means put. Add operation anyway. Remove operation. I'm doing one add operation and remove operation. I want exit. Exit means stopping. Here, switch off. Enter the choice. System.out.println. Enter the choice. Here, case 1, break. Case 2, break. Case 3, system.exit of 0. Stack operation stopped. 1 minute. So not stack. Map operation stopped. Default means system.out.println invalid choice. See there. Suppose whether it is working or not first. Number of products 1. A121. Product name is mouse. Product price is 1200. Product quantity is 12. Anyway, it is coming now. Here remove operation is there, exit operation is there. I selected 5. Invalid choice, again select the choice. I select 3 now, exit. Map operation stopped. Anyway, it is working. Now I must do add operation. Means adding to the map, deleting from the map. That's my intention. Adding to the map, deleting the map. When you go for system test for any company, you must know string, you must know array, you must know collection, you must know map. So if you don't do collection also, you must do with map. Collection, if you don't also know problem, you must do with map. System says maximum contains this generally. So you must know add and remove, minimum operation. You must add it and show it and delete it and show it. It's a minimum operation, no? Adding and deleting. So generally, of course, your choice I'm selecting single program. I'm introducing key set values and I'm doing add and remove operation I'm doing. Okay, right. Anyway, see there. Whenever add is there now, here add is there. System.out.println. Enter the product code. When the add is there, you have to enter the product code, no? Right. Okay. String product code is equal to s dot next line system.out.print. I can copy the above code, no? Here I am putting no product name, product price. This only, no? I'll copy here. Enter the product name here. Name here. You can say the name, you can say. P price, you can say. You can say P quantity. Quantity. P name. P price, P quantity. After adding this, system dot out dot println product added successfully. When the product added successfully, you must display it. See there. Length of code is increasing and coming. 1 minute. Number of products 1. A121 mouse price quantity. So display values anyway. This is map and display. Add means A123 CDRR 1300 and 13. Added, no? Product added successfully or not now? Added. This only you can add it. So first code why I given means to select the type of implementation I given. Now you can add the product and come. Which one you want, you can add it. You can keep on adding and come. Okay, right. I must do remove operation. Whenever I want to do remove operation, I must enter the product code. If I enter the product code only, I can do 3 exit. Now, enter the product code here. See, when are you selected? Case 2. Where is that case 2? Case 2. System dot out dot println. Enter the product code. String product code is equal to S dot next line. But that should be in the form of string actually. So you must write new string of. Here one method is there, contains method. Can you see? Can you see contains key? You must know whether it is available or not first. If it is available, you can do some action. Of course, E is empty also you can do. Right, okay. Whenever you want to remove it, you must check it. It's not empty, no, generally. Anyway, I am taking contains key. The method I am using, contains key. So, if of map dot contains key, PCC, I'll take it. Else. If it is true, I'll remove it. If not, I'll say system dot out dot println invalid product key. Here, if the contents is there now, you can say map dot remove of this. Now, system dot out dot println product removed means product details deleted. Deleted. Now display after delete completed display. Total 8 code this one, lambda. Let me run finally. It's a final code. 1. Take one product, enter the product code A121, product name, some mouse, product price 1200 and product quantity 12. One product added. So do one add operation. So A122, some keyboard is added, 1515. Keyboard is added. Okay, right. Like this, you can add whatever you want, you can add it. So A123, some CD or CD-ROM, some 1770. Now, what you observed here now, sir, your map is working like a database. It is like a mini database. You can dump all the data there and you can do operations. Finally, you can send to database if you want it. That only ORM. Object relation mapping. So developer can keep the data in individual object. Developer can give the data in the multiple objects. And developer can accommodate all that objects in a one collection object. Whenever you want to organize with primary key, map object. These many options are there for us. Now remove it. Now A122. Object removed successful and product delete details deleted. See, deleted no. We are doing delete operation or not now, right? If you want, you can add it again. You can add it, you can delete it. Suppose I want to do delete, which is not available there. Invalid product key. Coming or not now? Exit. 3, exit. So finally, the program is working with mini database. Database means key value will be there, no? Primary key is there, non-primary key is there. Okay, right. Now I'll explain this, what has been happened. So maximum all methods I brought it. That size method not there. Is empty method not there. So contains value. If you want to search value also, you can search value. Contains value, you can search it. So these are the major methods I used here. Majorly add and remove operation. Minimum you must know. Okay, right. So for this, one small diagrammatical form, how it is available. And I'm using one method known as for each here. Observe or not now? For each method. I'm using for each method. I'm using for each method. Your for loop modified as for each. Already you know for each remaining, no? Already you know for each remaining, yes or no? Na? Special iterator. Special iterator came with for each remaining. This method is for each. Introduced by Java 8 here. Anyway, now I am selecting map with the case 1. So map string object product values m is equal to new hash map string product values. Now here one address created. Zero x 11. This reference will hold unlimited string product values object pairs. It's going to hold string product values object pairs. So unlimited is going to hold it. Unlimited. Right. Now, after selecting this object now, enter the number of products. I am selecting some 2 products. I am selecting roughly. Now this loop runs for 2 times. No? Yes or no? Na? This loop runs for 2 times. This loop runs for 2 times. It's a loop. In this loop, I am taking only this data I am taking. Now here, reading code and so on. This loop runs. Whenever this loop runs, what happens now? Sir, here m dot put new string. M dot put new string. So here string object is created. New string means one string object is created. 0x22. The string object will accommodate the data A121. To display the data, we had 2 string method. That is the code. After reading this code here, we are creating object new string. Then after reading name, price, quantity, we are creating object for new product values. Whenever you create object for new product values, so product values object is created. Product values object is created. This product value object is name loaded, price loaded, quantity loaded. So these are the fields loaded here into product object. Into product object. To display this, we had 2 string method. We had 2 string method. Now this string object and product values object, we are using one method put here, put method. That m dot put method will add this pair here. That's the imagination. This 0x22 added here. 0x33 added here. 0x22. 0x33. Now these two are in the form of pair there. These two are in the form of pair. One act as an K, one act as an value. That only concept. 0x22 accommodating code A121, 0x33 accommodating values, name, price, quantity. The two are two different objects. One is string object, one is product values object. The two are like a pair. That's the meaning of it. Now the loop runs one more time, no? 2 times means whenever the loop runs one more time now here, one more string object is created. 0x44. The string object will accommodate the second data. Second code A111 roughly. To display this data, you had a toString method. A toString method. And you had a product. Zero x55. Here name will come. Name, some keyboard. So price will come roughly. Quantity will come like this. Now they are accommodated. Now these two are added here. Put method, no. This is put method. 0x44 and 0x55. 0x44 and 0x55. Both are like a pair. That only accommodating in the form of key value pair. That only map object. Okay. All of you understood? All right. This is the map flower. They are like a pairs. Your database table divided into two parts, primary key, non-primary key. So whenever we want to show keys, you can take the keys and show it. Example, if we take book by show, example, they'll show the show timing to you, 2 p.m., 4 p.m., 6 p.m. If you click on 2 p.m., remaining details will come. Seat availability. Observe this point, seat availability will come. Moreover, your PNR status, whenever they want to find PNR status, they'll ask you to enter the PNR number. Nowadays, income tax department, ITR submissions are there, no? They'll ask one acknowledgement number with a phone number. They are all primary keys. Remaining details will come. Means, based on primary key, any other data is there, they'll separate it and they'll accommodate. They'll show the key to you. Enter your key. Will search in the keys to you. If it is available, with that keys will show the remaining values. That's only concept. Because of this one, map will play crucial role in applicative area. Applicative means project applicative area, it plays a role because it is separating both and keeping. Just for student imagination, we draw like this. So they are in the form of key value pair because the notes will be recorded like this. When we are introducing map also, we write like this. Here. Map is an interface from java.util package and which organizes elements in the form of key value pair. That is element only. That green color box I drawn, no? That is element only, one element you can say. But in that element, what is there now? K is there, value is there. What is K? One object. What is value? One object. According to object-oriented programmer, it is object only. If it is a single object, I'll create object for string. If it is any codes are coming in the form of integer, I'll create a wrapper class, integer class object I'll create. Values always multiple now. If you take your student database, if you take it, roll number is alphanumeric, new string, remaining data is there no, name, branch, total marks, percentage. That assignment solution you are waiting or not now? You can do with map. You can do with map or not now? You can add, divide into two parts and do roll number separate. Remaining what is there now? Name, branch, total marks, percentage, result. They are all values or not now? If you enter your roll number, I'll show the remaining. If you enter your roll number, if roll number are there, I'll say invalid roll number. So you can accommodate both or not now. So that is a way of accommodating the data. Anyway, I said no, I'll give the solution for that student. I said to you already. I can write with map finally. If I write with map, what happened now? I can differentiate roll number. I can differentiate the remaining data of a student. Even if we take employee, employee ID, employee name, employee designation, employee basic salary, employee total salary, you can differentiate. If you want to keep address, you can keep it. House number, street name, city. If you want to keep a contact, you can keep it. Mail ID, phone number. They are all values only, no? Based on ID. You can differentiate. Enter your employee ID. I can say. If you enter your employee ID, if it is there, contents method is there, no, for me. If it is there, I will show it. If not, I will not show it. Roughly. So, if you want to do that kind of action, even in advanced Java, we are doing that action. In advanced Java, we'll display that roll numbers in the form of anchor tags. So, I want to see all employees means we'll display the employees in the form of employee codes in the form of hyperlinks. If we click on that hyperlink, the details will come out. So that the hyperlink, if we click on the roll number related information will be displayed. You can display all train numbers to him. Click on train number, remaining details will come. The only book my show logic. They'll display the shows to you. Click on 2 p.m. 2 p.m. availability will come. Click on 4 p.m. 4 p.m. availability will come. They're showing the values based on the key. So maximum applications depend upon the map. When the system test is there, if you do the assignment, if you do the program with a map, positive marks will come to you because nobody will use it now. They'll use. So positive, because all will try with array only. No? All will try with array only. But if you try with map, he'll give a positive mark to you because he knows map. So he is not using array. For us, array not there in applicative area. So this is the view of your map. Sir, on this map now, first time I am using one for each method, no? Right. For each method I am using. Now write. Define for each method. Here, demo map1.java. This is main class. Define for each. For each method. For each method. Introduced by Java 8 version. For each method introduced by Java 8 version and which is used to retrieve TRIEV, which is used to retrieve elements from collection and map objects. Collection and map objects. For each method introduced by Java 8 version and which is used to retrieve elements from collection and map object. It will work on both. So for each method has two syntaxes. Method signature of for each on collection separate. For each method signature on map separate. Make it method signature of for each on collection, method signature of for each on collection. Yesterday I given one information to you. Set list queue above collection is there, right? Okay. Collection has one parent. What is the name of that parent? Do you remember? Iterable. Okay, right. That iterable has three methods. I drawn in your diagram also already. Among that one method is for each. That iterable will have one method known as for each. Java P, Java dot lang dot iterable. This iterable has three methods: iterator, for each, special iterator. We are working with what now? For each. The for each method which is available in the parent method available to child, collection. From collection available to all the children, set list queue. So it is available to all the implementations you can access from anywhere. That's the meaning your Aadhar given in the top. So that is a technique your Aadhar played. He kept there. The method is what method now? Default method. Default method introduced by Java 8 version. No. And the default methods are available to implementations. The notes is available to you already. Default method is a non-static method and the default method is available to implementation. You can access with the implementation class object name. Notes is available for you. So he kept a default method. So the method signature is coming from iterable. Right. Write the method signature for each method signature. You have to write it. This is the method signature of for each. Okay, right. See there. Now, method signature of for each. Method signature of for each on map. Make it on map. Method signature of for each on map. Okay, right. So already the method is here only. The method is here or not now? Already the method, recopy it. The method on this. Here consumer is there. Here by consumer is there. Consumer as a parameter. By consumer as a parameter. Consumer means single. By consumer means two. You had a notes on consumer, no? Yes or no? Yes or no? You remember or forget it? You had notes on consumer. Yes or no? No, you cannot remember. Forget it. Can I show? Right. Can you see consumer? Special iterator, consumer. Sir, course not completed, forget it, sir. Tomorrow Sunday is coming, again you'll forget it, sir. After 2 days again, what is that? Vinayak Chauthi is coming, again I forget it, sir. Actually, I given notes there. My reason is to save the time here. Why I given the note? To save the time here. Because that consumer, I can say consumer is available, no? But I'm saying also you are looking very seriously, means again I must speak it. To save the time, I given notes on that day, actually. Anyway, no other choice to the trainer, you have to give it. Already time deviated, no? Already batch time gone already. Right, batch already increased, 20 days increased already. Okay. Now, first time I'm teaching 7:30 batch. I never take 7:30. This is the first batch I'm taking 7:30. 7:30 batch we never take actually. I never take. But on that day, management president given 7:30 actually. 7:30 batch I never come. Why means pressure will be there 7:30. Our times will be deviated. 1 or 20 minutes we cannot do anything. 6 o'clock batch will be there, no? That batch ending, this batch starting 9 o'clock, nobody will be there, nobody will respond, all will shut down and go. If anything occurred also, nobody will lift the call because all will go by 8 o'clock. No. It's a problem generally. Anyway, no problem. Right, okay. See, for each method on map. So for each method works on it. Collection, for each method work on map. Because of this reason, by plan only, here, see there, for each method, I am working on map. For each method, I am working on set. For each method, I am working on collection. Means 2 syntaxes I given. Each method map is there, for each run collection is there. Both I introduced. Here I'll write the notes to you once anyway. Right? Can I make the notes on Monday? Right. Look here. When the batch ended, all are asking. Frankly speaking, batch timing increased already. Batch timing already. My expectation time also changed. After I started one batch. What is that batch? And 133, no? 134 I started. 134 came to collections already. Why means that batch runs 1 hour 40 minutes it runs. Because the batch came very fastly. Why problem means 7:40, 7:45 I'm starting. So because of new batch, again I must only 1 week they'll address. So some errors. After that 7:30, if I don't start 7:30, 1 hour 20 minutes. Now that batch people are waiting for to increase the time. For that batch, I cannot increase the time. For you, I cannot increase the time. So it's a problem that every day, 1 hour 10 minutes, 1 hour 15 minutes, that 15-20 minutes increased daily. Every 3 days, one session will be going on. That only happened. So almost it crossed 15 days. So still it takes time. Right. Actually, this should be completed in a single session, but I cannot complete. So Monday class is writing notes because I must move the headers and show to you. After moving that headers, you will get a clarity what is that for each method. So after understanding for each method, Then we'll take cursor statements we take. Cursor statements means remaining to our waiting, no? In the iterable, remaining to our waiting. Iterator and a special iterator. For that we take cursor statements. We explain all that cursor statements. Then we do sorting. We not done sorting. Tree set sort is coming and map sort will come. Remaining sort not there. So for that we explain sort process. Then your collection framework will be ended. It takes Monday and Tuesday. Understood now? After that enum will come. Enum not entered, no? Right. Enum. Enum will come on Wednesday, break is there. Management not giving us, I will take a break. On Wednesday, Vinayak Chauthi is there. So for me, puja and so on, I will not come anyway. So I planned enum on Thursday. One day only enum, nothing is there. When the enum completed, that object oriented will be completed. That object oriented, total objects will be completed. After concluding all object oriented conclusion completed, then we are entering into exception handle multi-thread. Understood now? So they will not take much time. Already applications are ready now. Just we show how to handle the disturbances. It takes 2 days to 3 days. Exception handling, it takes 3 sessions. It takes. After exception handling, adding the try catches to this kind of applications, we are adding try catches. 3 days. After that, 2 to 3 sessions will take multi-thread. Okay, right. Already multi-thread is an applicative part only. Easy only. Creating thread, locking resources. It takes 3 sessions. After that, your object-oriented features are there, no? Encapsulate, abstract. That conclusion will come. By means, until now, class is not holding try block. Class is not holding catch block because encapsulation not ended. That's the sequence. My sequence I'm saying. Then that object-oriented features will be ended. After that, all features ended, object-oriented ended, already components ended. We go for conclusion. Conclusion means Java program interacts with the file. Java program interacts with the network. One session, one session. After that, Java program interacts with the database. That's the sequence. Understood now? So, biggest chapter is this only, actually. If it is ended, remaining all 2-3 sessions. So, almost it takes time. So, time increased also, I will not leave it. Because I must give a conclusion. Clear everyone? Right. Time increased also, I must complete the syllabus. I cannot leave it. I will not rush it. Anyway, time deviated anyway. You adjust that, frankly speaking to you. So management also knows that time has been deviated because choice not there. I cannot increase 9:30, 9:40. I cannot increase the time. That's a problem. So time increased, but even then I'll come up to network and I'll stop it. Even frankly, I'm speaking to you, nothing there. Clear everyone? So beyond that, you adjust other batches and come. All are asking my advanced Java actually, right? So my advanced Java may come, may not come because nowadays they made me busy with 100% placement batches. They made it busy with me. So nowadays I am busy with that batches, 100% placement with the advanced Java. I am running there, 2 core Javas. So here advanced Java coming or not, question mark is there. Immediately next advanced Java will not come. Already Venkatesh Manasani has been started. Manasani sir has been started. So it may come in, it may not come. Okay, right? So any other advanced Java started, pick it and go. Because now they are eagerly waiting for my time 11 a.m. I'm releasing one batch by 11 a.m. That is from that campus. Nacker building I'm entering. So management is waiting for 11 a.m. time. So 11 a.m. also advanced Java will not come. Why means, frankly speaking, 11 a.m. is a business time. So advanced Java will not come. Understood now? Right. So 11 a.m. it will go for other batch. So previously 2 batches I executed 11 a.m. only advanced. Then after I gone for 100% placement, 2 p.m. 3 batches I entered into 100%. So I am asking management to mix that 100% placement and you. If it works, I'll start advance. Right. If not, they kept me busy in other sector. Frankly, I'm speaking. Why means spring is starting. When the spring started, advance Java completed or not secondary, but attend the spring. So all of you should attend the spring because it gets late to you. Rest of know, attend the spring. So sir will ask, do you completed object oriented from address? Sir will ask. Object oriented completed means you are comfortable with all core Java concepts anyway. You go and sit in spring, attend it. Then you take advance slowly. So no other choice for you. Right? Frankly speaking. Again, spring will take 1.5 months to come again. In a repetition process, it takes time. Understood now? Again, the faculty freeing and coming, it takes time. Only Oracle HTML will be more batches. Remaining all advanced will come rare batches. So when they are coming, only pick it out. That's my suggestion. I don't know when they are starting. 29 they are starting. Same time or what? General spring batch will start by 5:30 only. Online, offline, no problem. Right. Okay. Can I take a break for this week? Right. Okay. Because many students are asking when it is completed. I given a clarity to you. Until the syllabus is covered, I will not leave it. Great. Okay. Thank you very much for today.